Hey, this is Carl. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can see here, we have a Crivit multi-tool sold by Lidl. So we're going to crack this thing open, see what this thing consists of, see if it's worth the $5.99 I paid for it. Here is the packaging. It comes with a sheath. Multi-tool with sheath. It says it has 14 functions, but I watched another review on this thing, and the reviewer, the YouTube uploader, wasn't real thrilled with some of the tools themselves. So let's give it a shot. Let's open this thing up. I'm going to be using the Buck 780 to slice this thing open with. There we go. Let's go. Let's go like that. Let's go. Get that thing open. We're not going to be taking this thing back. So, get this out of here. And get this out of here. Here is the owner's manual on the back. Just different ways to clean and care for this thing, and it comes in about 6 different languages. So there we go. There we go. Just throw that away. Okay, let me fold this up, get this out of the way. I did a review on this knife, the 780, if you'd like to check that out. Okay, what do we got here? Spring assisted pliers. Whoops. Kind of has a weird grip to it. Okay, if you look right there, let me grab this piece of paper. It does close pretty good. The wire cutter closes all the way, and does grip pretty good. There's the handle. Centimeters on this side, inches on this side. Now most multi-tools, the knives are going to open up from this side out. But on this one, from the inside of the handle, they're going to open out. So you have this little lever right here. Push this lever to open these up. You heard that lock? Locked into place, and it is kind of loose. You have to push this down. So that's a nice feature. So this is the blade. How sharp is this thing? Let's get this package right here and try this out. Pretty dull. Pretty dull. It will cut in an emergency, and hopefully you won't have to have it in an emergency. What else we got in here? Push this. Open these up. We have a file with, they call this a screwdriver tip, but I'm going to call that a paint can opener. Let's see, what do we got right here? We have Phillips Screwdriver with a, they call this a can opener, bottle opener, but I don't see much use for it. And this is another screwdriver, and I'm going to call that a tool to get mud out of your shoe tread. Can't see that being the screwdriver tip. So we're going to call that a groove picker. How about that? close all these back up. Let's see what we have on this other side over here. Want to push this, pull these out. We have a saw blade. We have 3 more tools in here. We have this thing. That's a bottle opener. And I don't know what you'd classify this as, but it's one of those things. This is like an awl or a punch with a sharpened edge on it. I wouldn't call that a knife. And this is that supposed to be a screwdriver also? That's one of those things. You know what it is. You've got one of your Leathermans. It's one of those things. There we go. Spring loaded. I think the best feature on this thing so far is the pliers. Now the overseas version of this knife has little cutouts in the handle right here. How's this thing fit in there? Whoops. Close that a little tighter. This is a tight fit to go in here, but it does fit. There we go. Nylon case. See the word Crivit on the side. $5.99, $5.99. It might have some uses in your toolbox. Keep it as a backup in your tackle box, whatever. For the price, it is what it is. I don't know if it's any better than those Walmart brands that they sell, but we're going to do a comparison test here soon. If you ever need something like this, go to your Lidl, L-I-D-L, check it out. My name is Carl, and I do appreciate you being with us. Now we've got to find a place to put it. Thanks for watching.